Hello everyone, guess what I am going to make today? I am going to do a DIY mirror tray decor. I am going to use E6000 and I have some beads here. They're diamond shaped and you can get them at Hobby Lobby. That's what it looks like. They're clear diamond shaped bead. Then I have two clear draw pulls, and then I have some heavy duty felt pads. I have some glue stick and a glue gun. Then I have glass cleaners by Sprayway, and this is my mirror that I had hauled in one of my thrifted hauls, and this is from American Thrift Store. I will not be using the heavy duty felt pads because up under the mirror you will see it already has, little feet to it. So I will not be using the felt pads. Next, I am going to go ahead and clean my mirror. Next, I am going to open up my diamond shaped beads package, and this is what it looks like. Diamond shaped beads. In other words, you can call them gems. So I'm going to go ahead and place them on the mirror just to see how I would like to place the diamond shaped beads. Okay, now that I have them placed the way I want them, I will not be using the E6000 glue. I am going to use the hot glue gun because the glue pretty much holds itself. I am using the Gorilla glue sticks. I am using the larger diamond shaped beads, and then I'm going to place the smaller clear diamond shaped beads to the back of the larger ones. And y'all, I am so sorry that this part of the video is blurred. So keep on watching. So this is how it's looking so far. Now I am working on the corners of the tray. Now I am going to add the drawer pulls, which I've gotten from Home Depot, and I am going to add it to the mirror. And I am going to use the E6000 plus the hot glue gun glue. At this point, I thought I'll go ahead and add the draw pulls to the mirror and then finish off with the rest of my clear diamond shaped beads. Okay, I am finished with my DIY mirror tray decor. This is how it's looking. And now I am going to use rubbing alcohol to get rid of all the hot glue strings. And it does really well removing all of the hot glue strings or webs. I love this spray way glass cleaner. Not only for glass, it cleans mirrors. I love this glass cleaning spray. And now that I am done, I am placing it on my coffee table just to show you guys how it looks. I will be coming back to decorate my coffee table, but I just wanted to show you guys how this mirror is looking. So y'all stay tuned for some more DIYs and some more home decor hauls. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Come back now because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.